Hi students. Today we are going to discuss about Lenz-Makers formula. Very important derivation. Now let us consider a thin double convex lens of focal length f. Okay. Now here this is the first refracting surface. ABC is the first refracting surface and ADC is the second refracting surface. And U is the object distance and V is the image distance. Y is called object, I is called the image. Now this figure B shows that the formation of image I1 of the first refracting surface ABC. Okay, I1 is the image formed by the first refracting surface A, B, C. Okay, now where the object is? Here O. This object, this image I1 will be acts as the virtual object for the second refracting surface ADC. This image I1 will be acting as virtual object for second refracting surface, that is ADC, that can be shown in figure C. And the final image is formed at a position I. Okay. Now we are going to derive the Lenz-Makers formula, and we know that from the relation object distance, image distance and radius of curvature, from that we know that one condition, that is n1 by om plus n2 by mi is equal to n2 minus n1 by mc. This we know very well from the relation in previous class, that is object distance, image distance and radius of curvature. We know the relation. That relation we are going to apply for figure B here. Now n1 is the refractive index of first medium, n2 is the refractive index of second medium. n1 by object distance, that is OB here, n1 by OB plus second refractive index of medium is n2. n2 by image distance is BI1 is equal to n2 minus n1 by BC1. Let it consider the first equation, and this is for first refracting surface. For first refracting surface ABC, we are going to apply the relation. For first refracting surface, for first refracting surface ABC, we are going to apply n1 by OB plus n2 by BI1 plus n2 by BI1 is equal to n2 minus n1 by BC1. That will be first equation. And now for second refracting surface, we are going to write for second refracting surface. For second refracting surface ADC, we are going to apply here. The object distance is DI1 here, and image distance is di. Now we are going to write n1 by di minus n2 by di1 minus n2 by di1 is equal to n2 minus n1 by dc2. Let us consider this is a second equation. For second refracting surface ADC, we are writing n1 by di minus n2 by di1, which is equal to n2 minus n1 by dc2. From this is equation 2. Now for thin length, this can be written as I am writing like this, minus n2 by di1 plus n1 by di is equal to n2 minus n1 by dc2. that this can be considered as the second equation now. Okay, now for thin lens, we are going to write bi1 distance equal to di1. bi1 distance is equal to, we are going to write di1. Now adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get here n1 by OB plus n2 by bi1 minus n2 by di1 plus, we are going to write di1 plus n1 by di is equal to right hand side n2 minus n1 by bc1 plus, for second equation right hand side n2 minus n1 by dc2. Okay, now see here next plus n2 by ba1 minus n2 by ba1 get cancelled. We are getting n1 by OB plus n1 by di, which is equal to n2 minus n1. We are going to common. We are getting here 1 by bc1 plus 1 by bc2. Okay, let us consider this is the equation 3. Okay, and now suppose the object is at infinity. Suppose the object is placed at infinity. Let us consider the object is placed at infinity. Okay, the object is going to be kept at infinity. Then we are going to write OB equal to infinity. OB gives us to infinity, and di we are going to write which is equal to focal length. When the object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at the focal. Therefore, di distance we can consider as the focal length. Okay, substitute these in equation 3 here. That is n1 by infinity plus n1 by f is equal to n2 minus n1 into 1 by dc1 plus 1 by dc2. Okay, now this can be written as n1 by f equal to n2 minus n1 into 1 by dc1 plus 1 by dc2. Okay, let us consider this is equation 4. Now applying the sign conventions, OB we are going to write here here BC1. Okay, equation 4 BC1 we are going to write plus R1, positive sign convention. BC1 equal to plus R1 and DC2 equal to, we are going to write negative minus R2. Now substitute the sign conventions in above equation. Therefore, n1 by f equal to n2 minus n1 into 1 by plus R1 minus 1 by R2. Now bring n1 right hand side. 1 by f equal to, we are going to write n2 minus n1 by n1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. n2 by n1 minus n1 by n1 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This can be written as n21 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Therefore, this can give the focal lens makers formula. Therefore, 1 by f equal to, we are going to get n21 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is lens makers formula. Lens makers formula. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.